Alright, today we're going to go over the substitute modifier. One of the students had a problem with getting one of her files to work with it. This pencil model is her design, so I will not take credit for it. It's a pretty nice pencil. But the problem is she used a group tool to create all the individual parts of it into one object. This is good for moving it around and putting it in a scene generally, but if you're going to use a substitute modifier, you can't use it. It's a catch-22. So first thing we're going to do is ungroup this, and you can see that we have the tip, larger piece, eraser, and if we bring in a rectangle to represent our go in the front viewport here, represent our pencil in a lower rendering in a larger scene. Just line it up. No sense in being lazy here. Okay, so if I take that rectangle, this will just be the pencil holder, we'll write it as, and I go ahead and I apply a substitute modifier to it. Pick scene object. Okay, you can either go off task here into the object list, or you can go ahead and just pick a scene object. So we're going to go pick scene object, and we're going to click the cylinder. You can see we just have the cylinder. We don't have the rest of our object. Undo that. If this entire object was grouped as it was, and we do that same thing, it still only selects the individual element of that group. So we're going to undo. Let's ungroup this pencil. Okay, so what we're going to want to do, and just so you can see here, if I pick a different part of the pencil, just that pencil is shown. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is grab any part of this pencil object, and what we're going to want to do is convert this to an editable mesh. Edit mesh right here. And basically we're going to click this Edit Geometry Attach button. And when we do that, we're just going to click Attach. It's activated. Now we just go ahead and attach the rest of our object. The rest of the object takes on the properties and the material of that cylinder. So you're going to have to reapply any textures you had on there. Turn off attach, and now it's one single object, a pencil. It should be named pencil. Additionally, you can go in through element mode, select individual elements still, those 4 elements, and you can change them to whatever colors that you wanted. We're not going to be able to change it here, but with our slate material editor, you will be able to. Now if we select our substitute object, pick scene object, pick the pencil, and we have our full pencil. And that's a quick lesson on substitute modifiers.